What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I'm going to show you how to give snow the boot. Hey, when it's snowing and it's turning fall, soon to be winter, I go outside and I do a little shovel and a little snow blowing. The snow never rests. And that's why I picked up these. They're men and women's. I don't know why we have to differentiate anymore, but they're cold weather boots in gray, and I picked them up in a size 10 for males. They do list them for men and women, and in their appropriate sizes, I believe. And these are gray. It looks like we've got a little filler in here. And I really wanted something where I could throw on a pair of boots quickly. So I have a US Polo Association pair of boots, which are great. They don't let anything in. They're fully synthetic. But they require me to undo the laces and really tighten it down. And these boots kind of remind me of some boots I had as a kid that were just like foam, and you kind of force your foot in there and they would snug up. Now, these are kind of similar. They actually remind me of a little bit of like snowboarding boots. Nice big tread on it. But you can see they only go up to about the midway in the calf. But this is the key that sold me and hopefully works really well, is you just have Velcro right here. So you put these suckers on. Hopefully it's no harder than throwing on a pair of slippers. Then you tighten them down with Velcro. When you come in, rip them off, get your foot out. You know, I don't have to worry about hiking in these and worrying about them really being under a lot of, pressure and stress. I'm just going to use them outside, and so I just need to snug up the boot as quickly as possible so that I can get in and out. And you can see we have the Velcro right here. Now, also in the inside, we also have a synthetic fleece, which is kind of flaking off a little bit there. So even with regular socks, they should be relatively warm. And then down here, this is all like nylon on this portion, but then down here, this is like a rubberized material. So it's very firm down here and much softer right up here. And like I said, hopefully these should work pretty well. So you can just grab, kind of like those Velcro shoes I had as a wee child, be able to put these on real easily. Let's try them out. Here are the boots, and I've got a pair of jeans on, probably similar to what I would do when I'm heading outside. I'm just gonna open up these Velcro pieces and go ahead and try to put my foot in there, and boom, that is pretty easy. And now, like I said, more than anything, I could just cinch these suckers down and tuck my pant leg in there, but it allows me to adjust it without cutting off any circulation, without being uncomfortable. And man, just as quick as that, just put them on just like regular shoes almost. But man, I love the fact that cinch those down just like that. Woo! I am ready for the snow. Bring it on, Mr. Frosty Snowman. I will clear snow all day long. And they are really comfortable. Man, they do feel like kind of those old school boots, kind of like snowboarding boots. Pretty comfy and not expensive. And the convenience really sells me on them. So if you want to pick these up, I will put a link to them in the description. Peter Von Panda, out!